today we are going to be comparing 2 units of time. Okay, so they're going to give you one amount of time on the left and amount of time on the right, and then we need to decide which one is greater than, less than, or equal to each other, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You're also going to need to know how just equal, so you just need to convert 1 unit of time over to something bigger or smaller. And that's when we talked about this right here, is that if you went from smaller to bigger, divide, bigger to smaller, multiply. These are the 2 things you guys really need to get today. Okay? Yes? Are we awake yet? Yes? Okay. So let's just get started. Right on your P side, let's look at number 1. We have 48 hours, and we're going to compare that to 4 days. Now, I'm going to show you what you need to do. This is not optional. You must do this. The first thing you want to do is, well, what's easier for you? Is it easier to multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply. So in order to multiply, I want to go from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. So you tell me what's bigger, days or hours?
Days.
Days, duh. So I want to change this side into hours. That's what I want to do. Because once I get this side to be hours, then I can compare hours to hours. And then that's easy. Because if they're hours and hours, the bigger number wins. Okay? So let's do that. First thing you want to do, please don't use that pencil sharpener, borrow someone else's, is change it. Find the relationship. So look at your time conversion chart, look down it, and I want you to find the relationship that is between hours and days. And what relationship is that? Between hours and days. You got to find that first. So find the one that talks about hours and days. What is it? What relationship do we know?
1 day equals 24 hours.
Did we find it?
Yeah.
What do we find? Okay, so we know that 1 day equals what?
24 hours.
24 hours. So I'm going to use that relationship to figure out what I don't know. 1 day, 24 hours. I have 4 days. So am I going to multiply or divide here? Multiply, because I want to go from big to small. So I have 24 times 4.
Equals 48.
Okay? So we got to figure that out. Well, what do we know? Does you know how to do this?
4, 6.
Well, let's do the ones place. 4 times 4 is
16.
16. Drop your, carry your.
1.
4 times 2 is 8. Plus the 1 is 9. So we know that this is 96 hours. Now, it's real simple. 96 hours, 48 hours. Which one's bigger?
96.
Obviously, the 96. So you want to eat up that right side. Okay? Big to small, multiply. I wanted to choose my days, and I want to change my days because they're bigger. Days are bigger than hours, so you want to change the side that is bigger. Okay? Any questions? Okay. Ben, you're all set. You may go.